Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Dublin. First, understand that Dublin's public transport network includes buses, the Luas tram system, and DART commuter trains. To make your journeys smooth and cost-effective, your best bet is to get a Leap card. This reusable smart card offers cheaper fares than cash tickets. Also, download the TFI Live app. It's your go-to for real-time departure information and planning your routes across all services. Using your Leap card is straightforward. When you get on a bus, simply tap your card on the validator located near the driver. For Luas trams and DART trains, it's important to tap on at the start of your journey and tap off at your destination. This ensures you are charged the correct fare based on the distance traveled. You can easily add credit to your Leap card using the TFI Leap Top-Up app at ticket machines found at Luas and DART stations, or at many convenience stores. Planning your journey in Dublin is simple with the right tools. The TFI Live app and Google Maps are excellent resources for finding the best routes, checking timetables, and getting real-time updates on buses, trams, and trains. Always check for any service disruptions before you leave. Remember that fares for DART and some bus services can vary based on the distance or zones you travel, so planning helps you understand potential costs. For a smooth public transport experience in Dublin, keep a few tips in mind. If you're paying cash on a bus, you'll need the exact coin fare, as drivers cannot give change. Be mindful of peak hours, generally between 7 and 9 a.m. and 4 and 7 p.m. on weekdays, when services can be very busy. Lastly, always ensure your Leap card is tapped or your ticket is validated to avoid any issues during your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.